What's up everybody, it's Matt from TDM Style here. Welcome back to the channel, and it's finally time for another seasonal favorites video. Now, I know I usually do these in the bar, but this is like the second of 3 videos that I'm filming today, and I was just way too lazy to move all of my shit over into the bar area. So I brought the bar to us. So go ahead, grab yourself a nice tasty beverage, kick back, relax, and let's talk about some of my favorite products that I've been using for the past few months. Now, with this video, I'm also going to start introducing some other stuff. So besides like hair and skin products, I thought it would be cool to also mention, maybe a couple of clothing items that I've really been loving. And speaking of which, today's nice spicy Henley is brought to me, whatever, you know what I mean? Provided by, that's the phrase I was looking for. Yeah, this lovely, very comfortable Henley is provided by Trendy Butler, and this is an unpaid feature. They just send me some clothes once in a while, and they do have some really nice stuff. So if you'd like to check them out, I do have a discount code down below for a little bit off your first box. Now, on to the other stuff. So we're gonna start with these boots from Beckett Simonon. I have been wearing these like almost on the daily since I got them. I mean, I love fall being boot season, and of course you can wear these outside of fall as well, but they've just been so comfortable, they fit perfectly, and they've just been, like I didn't even need to break them in. They've been just wonderful, and I do have a discount code for these down below as well. So yeah, I will absolutely be buying some more pairs of shoes and boots and things from them in the future. All right, now the second clothing item I just wanted to mention that I've also been rocking a lot this fall is this jacket that I had gotten from Boda Skins. Look at that lining of that bitch. Ooh. I love this leather jacket. And now these, I mean, they're pricey. This is like a $500 jacket, but it's, legit, just soft leather, and it just looks badass as fuck, and it's comfy and fitted, and it just looks awesome, and I love it. All right, now into the stuff that we're used to seeing. I've got a bunch of things next to me here. So I've got some skin and beard products. I've got a bunch of stuff from, Shower Arena, and then we've got some pre-stylers and some post-stylers. So we got a lot to get through. Let's get started. All right, let's start with the skin and beard care department. So not too much new in that world, but I have been using, again, my Kiehls Ultra Facial Cream Moisturizer. This is just, I love this moisturizer. It's great. It's a little bit more moisturizing for, in the fall, winter time, my skin gets a little bit drier than usual, but it's... but it's, it's more moisturizing, but without being heavy or greasy. I just love this stuff. Now, this is a new thing I've been trying from Kiehls. This is their new Youth Dose Eye Treatment under eye stuff. It's got, let's see, it's with pro retinol, red grapeseed extract, and vitamin C. Multi-powered to smooth, hydrate, and brighten. So, I mean, I got some dark ass circles, and I'm always trying different under eye creams and stuff, and this one, it was expensive. I think this little half-ounce tube was like $38 or something, but you use the tiniest little droplet, and it's been working great. I mean, it really, like, my under eyes do feel really smooth. It, like, tightens up the skin. It reduces the puffiness, and you notice on the packaging it has this little, like, hollow band down there, and I was kind of wondering, like, it's interesting, and it does actually, when you look really close, like if you get right up next to your mirror, you'll notice it has these tiny little sparkly bits in it, so you're not going to be like glittering like fucking vampires in the sun over here, but that does help to give you that brightening effect to kind of alleviate the dark circles. Now, in the same department of hiding your dark circles, I've also been testing out the concealer pen and the tinted moisturizer from Strix. This is a male cosmetics company. Yeah, so I've been using these for a little while now, testing them out, and they are pretty good. So I am going to be doing a full review on this probably within the next couple of weeks, so keep an eye out for that as well. Now, last in the skincare area is the O'Keeffe's Working Hands Hand Cream. This, I think, wins the award for the hands down ugliest fucking packaging of anything ever, but I shit you not, this is the best hand cream I've ever used in my life. My hands get real dry in the fall and winter time, and this, I only have to use a little bit. It absorbs quickly, it's not greasy, and it seriously, like, it repairs everything. Like, my hands have never felt better. I just really wish that they would move away from the hideous neon green and orange packaging, but what are you gonna do? Now, in the beard care department, I only brought one down here with me, and that's because I've been using this one nonstop, and that is the Grooming Oil from Dauntless. That's the product line from Mike Smith over at Modern Man TV. And yeah, you can use this in your hair, your beard, your hands, whatever, but I've just been really liking it on my beard. It keeps it nice and soft, and that bay rum scent, I have to open it. Fuck! Oh my god, seriously, that's like, I'm not even kidding, the best bay rum scent I've ever smelled. It's just outrageous. Jeez, it's a very carbonated beer, I guess. All right, next we're moving into the shower arena. Got a bunch of stuff here too, and the first set is the X Mondo Project X shampoo and conditioner. So you can see I've been using the shit out of these. Yeah, these have been a great kind of daily driver shampoo and conditioner. They do a great job of removing the product, and they're not super hydrating, so they're pretty light, and I like to use these, you know, if I've been using a little bit oilier products and stuff, so that, because these don't add like an excessive amount of moisture. And kind of the counterpart slash opposite end of the spectrum, I guess, to those is the hemp set from the Salon guy. This is like ultra moisturizing. Yeah, so this, again, I'm going to be doing a full review for these soon, but this is essentially, he started with his pure set and changed the formula a little bit, added some hemp oil and whatever, and so these are just a little bit more of a kind of luxury type of shampoo and conditioner, and they are just amazing. Like, my hair after using these feels so soft and so hydrated. They smell like fucking heaven. Yeah, these have been great. So especially, I like to use these, especially if my hair is feeling a little bit dry. It's almost like doing a hair mask. It's that good. But now, speaking of hair masks, another one from the Salon guy that I've been enjoying is his carbon activated charcoal hair mask. This is like a once a week type of thing. Now I've got the normal hair version here. There's also the extreme one for drier hair types, which I actually have in my shower right now, so I just left that there because I've been using that one. But yeah, again, smells like heaven, and it's a nice mask that isn't too oily or greasy. It's not like heavy feeling in the hair. It just leaves it feeling really hydrated and moisturized and a little bit cleansed from that charcoal as well. And last but not least, in the shower area is my viral color conditioner, right? Yeah, color conditioner. This of course is the red one because red hair right now. And this is something that, you know, for anybody with like a vibrant hair color, this type of stuff is essential for keeping that up. Because if color fades, I mean, these vibrant colors aren't like permanent, so they do fade out fairly quickly. And using this once every, you know, week or so just to keep up on the color really does help to keep it nice and vibrant. What is happening? It sounds like a plane is landing in my driveway. What's happening? All right, now we're moving on to the pre-styler realm, and the first one that I want to mention is Trent's B4. This has been great. It's definitely a little bit of a unique pre-styler in that it's just kind of, it's almost like a gel type pomade type of consistency, but makes the hair just really soft, lightweight, easy to get volume, and just detangle, smooth the frizz and everything. Yeah, this has been pretty fabulous. Next one is the Amity Texture Spray from Sheer Revival. This I've been really enjoying the past couple of weeks. This is something that, you know, I haven't used much because I only need to use like a couple of spritzes. And this is like what I wish sea salt sprays did for me. So like, it's not too drying, but it does have a bit of dryness, a bit of grip, and it just makes the hair, it gives it like a really nice texture. It makes it really easy to build in volume. And it smells fucking great. And of course, then we have the 25 spray from the Salon guy. This is still, since the first moment that I used it, this is like daily driver for me. So if I'm not, you know, testing something else, or if I'm not using something else for a specific type of hairstyle, this is always my pre-styler because this never lets me down. It just smooths the hair, detangles, defrizzes, helps to preserve my color. I mean, this thing is just awesome. And I like the new packaging as well. And now the last one, which, I mean, this isn't really a pre-styler, but I don't really know where to put it. It's kind of its own category. This is the clay texture powder from clay texture dust from Trade Union Supply Company. This I've been using as like a dry shampoo lately, and also just kind of a little styler on its own, but mostly I've been using it as a dry shampoo, and it's great. Nice clay texture, super lightweight, and just versatile. And you don't have to worry about like using a little bit too much. Like I end up using more than I think I need a lot of the time. And it doesn't like hurt you at all. It doesn't get too dry or anything. All right, and last but not least, we're on to the post-styler category. And I've only got 3 things here, because I've been testing so many fucking products lately. But these 3 have been the consistent ones that, like, if I'm not testing something and I'm going out or whatever, and I just need to know what my hair is gonna do and how the style is gonna hold up, I would grab one of these. And the first one is the Oasis Clay from Templeton Tonics. This stuff is just wonderful. Yeah, it's just great. It's a stronghold clay. I mean, it's got a sticky application, so this is something like if I kind of need to style in a hurry and I want to know that my hair is going to stay exactly where I put it, I'll use this because it only takes a few seconds to work it in there, and then that stronghold just kicks in and you're on your way. And then later, as the day wears on, it does start to feel softer and a little bit more conditioned in the hair. In a kind of similar vein, next we have the Crafted Extreme Hold Matte Paste from the Salon and flagship pomade. This one is, so it does have some similarities to Oasis in that it's like a little more of a liquidy product, but this one I find applies much more smoothly, and then it does have a lighter feel in the hair, as you would expect a matte paste to. And I think that this one has a little bit stronger hold as well. So these are the 2 products that I kind of alternate if I wanted, a strong hold. I wanted my hair to just not move all day. Yeah, both of these have been great. And last but not least, in the more medium hold department is the Hustle Grooming Clay from the Salon Guide. Now, cue the people in, yeah, fucking sponsored by the Salon Guide. So many Salon Guide products. Whatever, go fuck yourself. Yeah, the Hustle is just fucking great. It's a solid medium hold. It's so smooth and easy to apply. It's another one that I can style my hair in about 10 seconds flat with this. And yeah, so if I want, a softer feel with a natural finish, and I don't need it to be like glued into place all day, this is always like within arm's reach for me. And plus this is still like, but still just hands down one of my absolute favorite product scents like ever. All right, so I think that is it. We just went through a shitload of products. And of course, I've been using more, as I mentioned. I've been testing so much stuff, but basically what we went over have been my kind of daily drivers and things that I use all the time when I'm not testing something else. So I guess that wraps things up for this edition of the favorites. Stay tuned, guys. I've got more videos coming this week. I've got a review of the new X Mondo Prismatic Glow Hair Mask and the Electric Rain Moisture Cream. Oh my god. I also have a review coming up for the Faith and Integrity Clay Pomade, because he's launching some new packaging on December 21st, so expect that either on or before that date. And then just a ton of other stuff upcoming, so if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button down below to keep up to date with all that. And as always, thank you guys so much for coming by and watching, and we'll see you at the next one. Cheers. Thank you.